Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have project folder open in VS Code, so start by creating index. HTML and styles. CSS now. Once done, add a minimal HTML boilerplate and place a link tag inside head with rel equals stylisheet and href equals styles. CSS. This direct link tells the browser which CSS file to load. Make sure file names match exactly, including case. Save both files, if you prefer. Use Ctrl+S to save quickly. This avoids stale content when you preview in the browser or live server. Next, verify the path, if styles. CSS sits alongside index. HTML, href equals styles. CSS is correct. If it's in a subfolder, update the path accordingly. Once paths are correct, install and start live server in VS Code to preview changes instantly. Live server serves files over HTTP, which avoids file//quirks. Then open DevTools, look under Network and Elements to ensure styles. CSS is requested and applied. If rules don't appear, check link place. To finish, perform final checks. Hard reload or clear cache so the browser fetches the updated stylisheet, because cached files can hide changes. Make sure the link tag sits inside head. This ensures styles apply as the page renders. If styles still fail, open DevTools and watch for 404 errors or MIME type warnings. These indicate wrong path or server configuration. As a quick fix, confirm file name, remove accidental spaces, and resave. Then refresh live server to confirm styles appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.